Hi everyone, here I've got Meizu 16th and let me show you how to enable portable hotspot. So first of all, let's open the settings. And here let's choose portable hotspot. Now it's disabled. If you want to share mobile network, simply click here. And now, as you can see, we are turning our hotspot. It is an open hotspot. I highly recommend to add a password, so we have to change security from open to one of this. Let me choose this, and as you can see, now we've got the password. You have to set 8 characters minimum. So let me set a password, click on done, and as you can see, now we've got the password. If you want, you can change, of course, the name. It doesn't have to be Meizu. We can type anything you want. Click OK, and as you can see, it is now on, and it has been changed, the name and the password which we've chosen. Okay, so that's all. This is how you set a portable hotspot. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.